Ray is our cruising and exploring stand-up paddleboard at Fanatec. It comes in two sizes, 11.0 and 12.0, as well as in two constructions. If you want to go for a cruise on the coastline or on the lake, the Ray is the choice. We offer two technologies, our extremely strong Pure technology and our beautiful looking custom wood technology. The Ray is a very clean shape. With plenty of width and volume pulled out all the way to the rail, it offers plenty of stability. This is something you're looking for when you go for a long cruise. You want the board to be stable and not worrying balancing it, because that's going to tire you out. The bottom curve of the board is slightly curved from nose to tail, combined with a little bit of a cutting bow here that cuts through chop easy, blending into a rolled bottom V shape throughout the midsection and the tail of the board. The Ray has some very cool features for a cruise. You have deck net inserts here, a towing eye in the nose, of course a leash cup at the tail of the board, very comfortable grab handle to carry the board to the water, and additionally a mast foot insert that even allows you to take the board for windsurf. Even a beginner can use this, as the board, as I said earlier, is very stable. It's very easy to uphold the sail and go for your first windsurf experience. The majority of the board is covered with a very comfortable deck pad. It's nice and soft, yet grippy with a slight micro dot structure. If you want to get into stand-up paddleboarding or go for a long cruise, enjoy yourself on the lake or in the ocean, the Ray is the perfect board.